Hello and welcome. Today we have something that I expect is a bit of a furniture lock. It works like this. There's a pretty long key but with very few teeth. Put it in like this and then you pull the entire cylinder out. The entire core out, that is the locking bolt. When it's in this position you are not able to lock it back up without the key. So let's try and pick this. I'm going to apply bottom of the keyway tension, and it's a pretty small keyway, so I'm going to go with a thin short hook. Let's see if we can lock it up again. Yeah. That's it. The keys are marked CES, and both the key and the lock is marked STZX and a 1. I don't know for sure where this is from. It's not very hard to get into though, and it confirms my theory that most furniture locks are pretty easy to pick, with one exception that I have at home that we might be looking at sometime. So, thanks a bunch. Goodbye.